And you want to say something? All right. Well, this is easier here. Most of us are from all over the world, and who else could do this coordinating and gathering and all these things that is happening right now, but of course the members that are in Manila. So from the bottom of our hearts, from everybody, we want to thank you, the team that organized this, that made this thing happen. Of course, that's Vicky, Jill, Bing, and Claudine. And Waki. Waki's, by the way, celebrating his birthday today. And
happy birthday.
Mr. Vince Santiago. Wow.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Yung may utang, bayaran niyo si Jill.
Later, I'll make singil.
Madadali na itong mga kanta ng iba.
Okay.
It just so happens that most of the soloists come from the bass section.
So Bing follows mine.
2 out of 3. It's not bad, ha?
Para po sa inyong lahat.
Sa isang bulaklak sumilang ang pag-ibig, bawat tibok ng kanyang puso ay luha at paghihirap. Puso'y sadyang nagtiis, nagdusa sa pag-ibig, di magbabago kailanman ang pagmamahal. Yan ang pag-ibig dahil sa isang bulaklak. Bawat tibok ng kanyang puso ay luha at paghihirap. Puso'y sadyang nagtiis, nagdusa sa pag-ibig, di magbabago kailanman ang pagmamahal. Yan ang pag-ibig kahit sa isang bulaklak.
Thank you.
Now
the third soloist from the bass group.